would you like to speak French? Next job, fork sliders. R&G product again, so don't know what we're going to need. So here we go, which is that's what it says on a tin. Slides. There we go. Nice and simple. Okay. 2 times 13mm sockets. And just double check that. Okay, slightly bigger, heavy thing. Adapter. Which again, 13. Got it ready, and it gives you a guide here of what's actually included, which when you're holding this doesn't look immediately obvious. So I'm going to get this sleeve off, and then we'll be able to see the other little bits that are in there. So you can see here little bits. Thing to note on here is the different size here and here, so it's going to go one way when you put this through, and again we'll look at that as we do it. There we go. So they count differently in France. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 3.
Edit that out.
I'm going to start from the left hand side of the bike, so we need to identify which side is going to be which. So it does tell you that you've got the shorter end here, and then you need size 5. You look at these ones, and the difference here is around here, so all we've done is actually fit it to the bike. So I'm just going to pick up the right one that we've got and just thread it as it says on here. So spacer first, that one, and it goes on this way, and then we go for item 5, washer, and then your nut. Okay. Unfortunately for us, this is all very nice and easy because it goes all the way through. So there you go, no problem. So, and then we're just going to fit the reverse true on there. So we need the bobbin first, spacer first, so bobbin, washer. For those that don't know what the nylon is, can we give a little close up on that? That's nylon there, that white bit.
Yeah, and that locks the nut on the spindle, stops it undoing.
Ah.
It's one called knife lock.
Ah. Do not over tighten. Nylon nuts will hold it tight. Tighten both nylon nuts using these things. Ta-dam. Okay, so we're just double checking that there's thread coming through both sides, which you can see here, and then on the other side. Yep, here we go, and there you have it. In just a couple of minutes, fork leg sliders, all fitted. R&G products, very simple to use.
Good, don't they?
They do. I don't know what I'm doing with these though.
Chuck them away.